Welcome, all of you. Now we have a question of class 1 subject mathematics. Let us discuss some question and answer. First of all, choose the MCQ question and choose the correct option. Okay. So, question number 1 is that how many wheels do 7 car have? How many wheels do 7 car have? Here we know that a car have 4 wheels. A car have 4 wheels, then 7 car have 7 into 4. That means 7 fours are 28 wheels. Okay. The option C is the right answer. Now, which months comes after October but before December? I repeat again. Which months comes after October but before December? As we know that after October, November, and before December is also November. So the option B is the November is the right answer. Okay. Now let us discuss the question number 3. Now 7 more than 87. 7 more than 87, that is how much? 7 plus 87 will be 94. You can add this 7 more 87, that is 94. Okay, so the option A will be the right answer. Now question number 4. Write the smallest 2-digit number. Write the smallest 2-digit number formed by the digits 6 and 8. When repetition is not allowed, that means here you have 2 digit 6 and 8. You have to make a number of 2 digit. Okay, that is smallest, and we cannot repeat the any number. Repetition is not allowed. Now we can form 2-digit number 68 and 86. 68, 68, 86. These are the two numbers can be made by 6 and 8. Now the smallest number is that, not 86. Here 68 is the smallest number. Okay, so the right answer will be the B, 68. Okay. Now 5. The difference between 64 and 25. The difference between 64 and 25. 64 minus 27. Sorry. The difference between 64 and 27. That is 64 minus 27 is equal to will be 37. Okay. If we subtract 27 from the 64, the answer will be the 37. So the option D is the correct answer. Now now question number 6. There are 7 days in a week. We know that there are 7 days in a week. And how many days are in 4 weeks? How many days are in 4 weeks? Okay, as 4 weeks, you have to multiply with 7 and 4. There are 7 days in a week and 4 weeks will 4 sevens are, that is 28 days. So the option A is the correct answer. Now, the number just after 54 in words. The number just after 54 in words is dash. 54. The number just after 54 in word. You have to write the number 54 after number. That is 55, 56, 51, 53. That is the 54 and the 55. Though, so the option will be C is the correct answer. 55. Now we have another question. Okay, 49 divided by 7. 49 is divided by 7. That means you have to understand 7 7 sevens are is equal to 49. That is 7 sevens are will be the 7 will be the again answer. Okay, now so the option D is the right answer. Question number 9. Question number 9. Second day of the week is that. We know that first day of the week is the Sunday and second day of the week is Monday. Okay, this is the right answer. MONDOI. Again, the question number 10. Which number comes just before the sum of 48 and 52? 48 and 52 makes its sum of 48 and 52 will be the 100. So the just before this number 100 will be the 99. Okay, this is the right answer of this 10 question. So so the option B is the right answer. You can see that. And now we have the question number B, fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's fill in the blanks. Now question number 1 is that hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. I repeat again, hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. The time will be 5 o'clock. The time will be 5 o'clock. Okay. Now, the question number 2. Dash fingers do 2 children have? Dash finger do dash finger do 2 children have? As you know, we use generally finger of one children is 10 hand finger. Okay, so generally not if you not mentioned the total number of finger, then we use 10 finger of a child. So one child has 10 finger and two child have 2 tens are 20 finger. Okay, now the question number 3. If yesterday was Wednesday, then tomorrow will be dash. As you know, yesterday, suppose here yesterday was Wednesday. Okay, yesterday was Wednesday. Now today it will be the Thursday and tomorrow will be the Friday. So if yesterday was Wednesday, then today is the Thursday and tomorrow will be the Friday. Okay, yesterday, today, tomorrow. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. So the answer will be Friday. Okay, the question is that if yesterday was Wednesday, then tomorrow will be the Friday. Okay. uh, as you Question number 4. Total amount shown there is rupees 40, 35 and 22 and rupees 7. If you add them, 40, 35, 25, sorry, 22, 7, okay, then you will get uh, 5 to 7, 7, 7, 14 and 3, 3 is equal to 100 rupees. 104 will be the right answer. Here is that rupees 104. The rupees 5. Repeat 104 is the right answer. Okay. Now, question number 5. 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is equal to, that is 6 into 6. 6 into 6, 6 6 yeah, is equal to 36 is the right answer. Now, the question number 6. 6 tens, 7 1 and 3 tens. 6 tens and 7 1 and plus 3 tens. What will be the right answer? 6 tens and 3 tens will be the 9 tens and 7 ones. Usually we can add them. 67 and 3. Here it will be 0. Okay. Then the right answer will be 9 tens and 7 ones. Okay. Now the question number 7. Question number 7. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 5s will be the 10. So the 5 will be the answer. Okay. Now again, the sum of 44 and 35. Sum of 44 and 35. Here is that 44 and 35. The sum of 44 and 35 will be the 9. Here will be 4 and 3 will be the 7. Okay. So the answer will be the 79. 9. Here dash day comes between Friday and Saturday. Dash day come between Friday and Sunday. Sorry. If we use it between Friday and Sunday, we know that Friday and Saturday and Sunday. So the Friday and Sunday and between Saturday. So the Saturday comes between Friday and Sunday. Okay. Question number 10. Dash is the month. Dash is the 7th month of the year. We know that the 7th month of the year is July. July. Okay. This is the right answer. Okay. We have now question number C. Write true or false. Write true or false. There are 5 questions you have to answer. Now let us discuss question number 1. 18 divided by 6. If 18 divided by 6, then gives 5 as an answer. No. 18 if divided by 6, then the answer will be the 3. So the statement is false. Okay. Now question number 2. Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September. As you know, Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September. The statement is true, hence right true. Okay. Now question number 3. The expanded form of 68 is 6 plus 8. Not, sorry, 68. The expanded form will be right form 60 plus 8 will be the 68. No, 8, not 6 plus 8. Okay, it is wrong. So the statement is false. Now, question number 4. The sixth month of the year is August. We know that the sixth month of the year is not August. So the statement is false. And the right answer will be the June. The sixth month of the year is June. Now, the question number 5. The number of times A comes in mathematics. Let us see. Mathematics. That is, there are two A, and A comes in is 2. So the number of times A comes in mathematics is 2. Is the right answer. Okay, the statement is true. So the option will be true. I think all of you have understanding. Oh, okay. Now let us match two column. Okay. Now you can see that match the following column A and the column B. And the column first, question number 1 says that three group of five flowers. Three group of five flowers. Three group of five flowers, that is 5 into 3. It will be the let us see 71, 65, 35, 73, and 15. So the E is the right option. We arrow is that is E. So we write here E. Okay, as you add, you can join this like this way. Okay, generally is the best way. A is the following E. So three groups of the five flower will be the answer E. Now the 7 tens plus 3 1 is 7 tens and 3 ones is 71, 65, 35, 73. So 73. So the option D is the correct answer. 73. 7 tens and 3 ones, that is 70 and 3. Okay, you understand that? So the option will be the D. 6 less than 77. 6 less than 77. If we subtract from the 77, we get 71. So the option will be the 71. Is that clear? Now, 6 group of 10 bees. 6 group of 10 bees. That is 6 tens 6 tens 60 and 5 bees more. 60 plus 5, that is 65. The option B is the right option. Okay, now there is a question number 5. Rupees 30 and 35. What will be the answer? Here C is the right. 35 is the C. You can add this like way. Okay, now there is a question, big question. Let us discuss. We shall discuss them. Now there is a multiplication 29 by 5. As you know, 5 nines are 45. Here 5 is written and 1 in hand. Sorry, 45 and 4 is borrowed. Okay, there are 4 in hand and 5 to the 10. 10 and 4 is hand. 4. 10 plus 4 is the 14. So the answer will be the 148. Sorry, 45. Again the question B, 44 into 4. 4 4 is 16 and 1 is in hand. Now 4 4 is again 16 and 1 is added to 16, that is 17. So the right answer will be the 176. Okay, now the last portion of the question. Arrange the number from the biggest to smallest. Arrange the number from biggest to smallest. Okay. Now we have 59, 85, 98, 89. So we can see that the 98 and after then 89 and after then 85 and after then 59. So this is the biggest to smallest. Again 11, 79 and 45 and 25, that is 79 after then 45 after then 25 after then 11. Okay. So um, now we have some question more. Let us discuss. uh, 56 divided by 8. As you know, the table of 8, then the 8 sevens will be the 56. 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 was a 16. That's way we can reach 8 sevens are, that is 7 will be the answer. And the question B, 45 divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 tables will be the answer. Give you answer. Okay, the table of 9 you can understand. 9 fives will be the 45, then the answer will be the 5. If you count the table of 9, then 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. So the 5 will be the answer. Okay. And 4, count forward and fill the boxes. Okay, count forward. Let us count the forward. Here 69 and then 70, 71, 72, 73. Okay. Now the question number B, 27, and now we will the 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay. Again we have some question. You can see that 5, fill the missing number. Okay, here 64, 65, 66 is missing, 67 is given, 68, 69 and 70. Is it clear? And of question number B, 88 is given, 89 is missing, 90 is given, and 91, then 92, then 93, and then 94 is given. So the missing number can be written this way. Now question number 6 and A, if we add 41, 22 and 37, the answer will be the 1 and 2, 3 and 7, 7, 2 and 1. If we add them, then we shall get 10 and 1 in hand. Here 3 and 2, 5 and 4, 9 and 1 in hand is 10. So the answer will be the 100. If we add all of them, then we will get 100 is the answer. And here 77 plus 69. If we add 7 plus 9, that is will be the 16. 7 plus 9 is the 16, and 16 we put 6 and 1 in hand. And if we add 6 and 7, then 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 and 1 in hand is 14. This is the 146 is the right answer. Okay. Now 7, question number, which is given below are some numbers. Difference between the largest and the smallest number. Here largest number is 92 and smallest number is 45. So we can subtract 92 minus 45, that is 7. We hold it 12 and then subtract, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it is 7, and here will be the we have 9, it will be reduce 1 and 4. Okay, 47 is the answer. So 47 is the right answer. Okay, question number B বলছে which is the first month of the year? You know that the January is the first month. Okay, question number 8. 8 70 minus 23. 70 minus 23. Okay, if we subtract them, 3 and after then 7, and 1 is reduced from the 7, then after then 6 2 subtract 2 from the 6 will be the 4. Okay, 47 is the right answer. And the option B, question number B, 85 then 37. If we subtract 37 from the 85, we shall get here 5. 5 cannot be 7 cannot be subtract from the 5, so we take as 15. So 5 and after 8, the 8 will be the subtraction, and this will be the 7. Okay, now if we subtract from 7 to 3 from the 7, then we shall get 4. Obviously it will be the answer for 40. 8 is the right answer. Okay, now now how many two coins how many sorry how many 2 rupees coin do you get from a 10 rupee coin? How many 2 rupees coin do you get from rupees 10 rupee note? If we have 10 rupee note, if you can exchange by 2 rupee note 5 times. Okay, and as 2 5s are 10, as 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10 is equal to, you can get the answer will be the 5 coins. Okay, 5 coins you will receive. Okay, now question number B, rupees 20 plus rupees 50 is equal to 70 plus rupees 2, 72 is the right answer. Okay, now question number uh, question number 10. Now you have to draw a clock which minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9. Okay, here minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand as at 9. That is, you can see that if we draw here 12 3 6 9 and 12, this is the hour hand, and this is the big as minute hand. Minute hand is at 12 and 9, hour hand is at 9. That is, the time will be the 9 at 9 o'clock. Okay, the is the answer. Okay, now here is a, if we 63 minus dash is the 22. Here to make 2, we can subtract 3 from 1. Okay, and to make 2, we can subtract from 6 4 from the 6. So 41 will be the answer. You can reversely do this, that is 63 minus 22, that is 1 and also 4. So you can subtract 41 here, put. Okay, this is the answer. So all of you have understanding what I have said already. If any queries and any question is rise in your mind, you can ask me and comment me, and if you have any other problem, you can text me. Okay, so this is the so this is the last time I am saying that do and work hard, and do it very your attentively, you can understand any kind of problem. Okay, solve it. So um, I shall be back with another video. Okay, let's